I see where it is floating around in the internet space that the legendary Cocotte has passed away. And I want to say condolences to his families, friends, and fans. Cocotte played a great role in the reggae music industry. A great singer with a great voice. That is a big loss for reggae music. But Cocotte live on through his music. Trod up in a higher heights, Cocotte. And I know say, I trod out on a higher level, to a higher dimension. Just like you sing Holy Mount Zion, that's your trod. And I say, trod up in a higher heights, up in a Holy Mount Zion. Yes, I, Rastafari. Me, Shocking Morris said that.